Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Efforts to revive the Iran nuclear deal are in a delicate phase, and diplomatic maneuvering and foresight will be required from all parties to help restore the landmark agreement. Full stop. Iran's top nuclear negotiator is currently touring Europe to exchange views with other signatories to the deal, while indirect talks between the Islamic Republic and the US are due to be held at the end of this month. Full stop. Therefore, the weeks ahead will be crucial, where re-establishing trust between the parties is concerned. Full stop. New paragraph. However, a wide gulf still remains between Iran and the US and its European allies that form the P5 plus 1 grouping, which also includes Russia and China, over the nuclear issue. Full stop. Tehran wants a lifting of all sanctions, as well as guarantees the US will not quit the deal again. Full stop. After all, the Iranians are wary that Washington will once again walk away from the agreement, as it did during Donald Trump's watch. Full stop. Yet the signals from the Western Bloc do not appear to be too positive. Full stop. Moreover, reckless talk from Israel threatens to scuttle all chances of a settlement. Full stop. For example, the Israeli military's chief of staff has been quoted as saying that his forces are ready to deal with Iran and the military nuclear threat. Full stop. Such irresponsible statements risk permanently torpedoing the deal and add to the volatility in the Middle East. Full stop. New paragraph. If President Biden is serious about reviving the deal, his administration must show the Iranians that they are negotiating in good faith. Full stop. The most important step in this direction would be lifting the sanctions that have succeeded in strangulating the Iranian economy, cutting it off from exporting its hydrocarbons, and resulting in endless misery for the country's people. Full stop. Tehran should respond to such overtures positively so that it can rebuild its shattered economy and give its people a better standard of life. Full stop. If the Western Bloc dilly-dallies, the conservative-led government in Iran is likely to further harden its stance, considering the negative experience of Mr. Trump's abrupt withdrawal from the nuclear deal. Full stop. This will only complicate matters in the region. Full stop. New paragraph. The Biden administration needs to show statesmanship and introduce confidence building measures before the nuclear talks get underway. Full stop. Equally, it must prevent Israel from spoiling the atmosphere. Full stop. A clear message should be sent to Tel Aviv that the world community will not tolerate any misadventures that can scuttle the deal and risk setting the Middle East alight. Full stop.